Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA on PS5. First, let's cover the absolute basics. Your left analog stick controls player movement, guiding your chosen footballer across the pitch. To pass the ball to a teammate, simply press the X button. When you're ready to take a shot on goal, use the circle button. Remember, holding the R2 trigger allows your player to sprint, giving you that crucial burst of speed when needed. Practice these fundamental controls to build a solid foundation for your gameplay. Now, let's dive into attacking strategies to score more goals. Through balls, executed with the triangle button, are excellent for sending teammates into space behind defenders. To add flair and beat opponents, try simple skill moves by flicking the right analog stick, sometimes combined with the L1 button. When near the opponent's goal line, cross the ball into the penalty area using the square button, aiming for a header or volley. Mastering these techniques will significantly improve your offensive play. Defending is just as crucial as attacking for success in FIFA. Quickly switch between your players using the L1 button to mark opponents and close down passing lanes. When an opponent is within tackling distance, press the circle button for a standing tackle or the square button for a sliding tackle, but be careful not to foul. To apply pressure and contain an attacker without committing, hold down the X button. Effective defending requires anticipation and precise timing to win the ball back. To truly elevate your game, consider exploring advanced tips and consistent practice. Customize your team's tactics and formations to suit your unique playstyle, found in the game's menu. Spend time in the training arena to perfect set pieces, such as free kicks and corner kicks, which can be game changers. Start by playing against the computer on a lower difficulty setting to comfortably practice new moves and strategies. Regular practice is key to becoming a formidable FIFA player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.